In this video, I will show you how to change ringtone on iPhone 15. So let's get started. First, open Settings app on your iPhone. Now scroll down and tap on Sounds and Haptics. On Sounds and Haptics screen, tap on Ringtone. And here you will find the default ringtone selected on your iPhone 15. If you want, you can tap on Tone Store and you can purchase the ringtones from the Apple Store. Otherwise, you have inbuilt ringtones that you can change anytime. So just go to the ringtones and then select the one that you like. Once you select the ringtone, tap on back. And now next time when someone calls you, you will hear the same ringtone that you selected. So that is how you can change ringtone on iPhone 15. If you find this video helpful, then like the video, share with your friends and subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching and I will see you in the next video.